Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to talk to you about the new YouTube self-certification for monetization. It is yet another new requirement from YouTube. Here's one of my new videos and I'm going to enable monetization for this video. And click done. And now click next. So this is a new step you have to do for every one of your new videos. The ad suitability. So basically you have to tell YouTube if you have any kind of inappropriate content. So here are the type of content that you need to label if you have any of these right here. So inappropriate language, if you say have light profanity, then ads will still be enabled, but if you have strong profanity, then it will be limited. So let's check out adult content. If you have a little bit of romance or kissing, then that's fine. You're still gonna have a lot of ads. If you blur certain content or expose breasts, so your video will be limited on ads. And let's check out violence. So mild violence is okay. Real injury, nope. And severe injury is limited. Let's try stunt. It's okay. And physical harm and accidents is limited. Like education, if you're drug related content, but education fine. If you're discussing about abuse and things like that, that's not fine. Hateful content, so you reference it, that's fine. If you're offensive or marginalizing groups or discriminating against certain groups, then that's not fine. Now firearms, hunting is okay. Using guns outside of that environment is not okay, and show gun creation or modification is not okay. Now sensitive issues, you're discussing modern acts of terror, oh look at that, this is not fine. So but if you're analyzing with your opinion, then that's fine. So yeah, there you have it. Those are the new content requirements that you need to tell YouTube about if you have any of these sensitive materials. Now video element, I'm just going to skip this part. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Self-certification for monetization. Okay, I hope this helps. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and until next time, happy YouTubing.